Looking to elevate your kitchen in 2026? Today, we're exploring 35 modern kitchen stove designs that combine style, functionality, and innovation. From sleek induction panels to bold statement ranges, these designs will completely transform your cooking space. Stay tuned for ideas that are practical, luxurious, and trend-setting. 1. Built-in induction stoves. Induction stoves offer precise temperature control and rapid heating. Their sleek, flat surface is easy to clean and adds a minimalist look, perfect for contemporary kitchens seeking efficiency and elegance. 2. Gas and electric combo stoves. Dual-fuel stoves allow you to enjoy the benefits of both gas burners and electric ovens. Versatile for every cooking style, they combine convenience with a modern aesthetic. 3. Touch control stoves. Smooth touch panels replace traditional knobs for a futuristic feel. They are intuitive, easy to clean, and enhance the overall minimal design of the kitchen. 4. Glass top stoves. Tempered glass surfaces reflect light and create a polished, elegant look. They're highly durable and resistant to scratches, making them both stylish and practical. 5. Smart Wi-Fi enabled stoves. Control your stove remotely via apps or voice commands. Ideal for busy households, they allow you to monitor cooking and set timers from anywhere. 6. Slide-in ranges. Slide-in stoves fit seamlessly into countertops, offering a built-in look. They combine functionality and luxury, giving kitchens a cohesive, professional feel. 7. Freestanding gas stoves. Classic freestanding gas stoves offer mobility and flexibility in placement. With modern finishes, they are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. 8. Freestanding electric stoves. Sleek electric stoves with polished surfaces simplify cooking and maintenance. Perfect for modern kitchens with a minimalist theme. 9. Dual fuel stoves. Combining gas burners with electric ovens, dual fuel stoves offer unmatched versatility. Ideal for gourmet chefs and luxury kitchen setups. 10. Compact stoves for small kitchens. Space-saving designs maximize functionality without compromising style. Perfect for apartments or kitchens with limited space. 11. Touch and slide induction panels. Sleek, seamless panels enhance modern kitchen aesthetics. They are safe, energy efficient, and provide precise temperature control. 12. Smart voice-controlled stoves. Hands-free cooking with voice commands adds convenience and sophistication. Integrates seamlessly with smart home systems for luxury living. 13. Minimalist black matte stoves. Matte black finishes give bold, high-end appeal. They blend perfectly with modern kitchen cabinetry for a dramatic yet elegant look. 14. Stainless steel stoves. Durable, timeless, and easy to maintain, stainless steel remains a popular choice for kitchens seeking professional and clean finishes. 15. Gas stoves with safety sensors. Automatic shut-off features prevent accidents. These stoves combine modern safety technology with practical cooking solutions. 16. Electric ceramic stoves. Smooth ceramic surfaces heat efficiently and are easy to clean. Their minimalist design complements sleek modern kitchens. 17. Retro-inspired modern stoves. Blend vintage aesthetics with contemporary functionality. Adds character and charm to eclectic or retro-themed kitchens. 18. Countertop induction stoves. Portable induction stoves provide flexible cooking solutions. perfect for temporary setups or as additional cooking space. 19. High-performance professional stoves. Restaurant-grade stoves designed for home kitchens. Offers precise control and durability for serious cooking enthusiasts. 20. Pop-up stove knobs. Hidden knobs that rise only when needed maintain a clean, uncluttered look. A modern, minimal design that's practical and stylish. 21. Multi-burner gas stoves. Extra burners allow multiple dishes to cook simultaneously. Ideal for large families and avid cooks who need speed and efficiency. 22. Stoves with built-in griddles. Integrated griddles expand cooking versatility for pancakes, sandwiches, or stir-fry. Combines practicality with modern design. 23. Oversized oven and stove combos. Extra-large ovens with spacious cooktops allow gourmet cooking. Perfect for home chefs who love entertaining. 24. Stoves with induction zones. Multiple induction zones provide flexible cooking options. Efficient, precise, and stylish for contemporary kitchens. 25. Smart energy-saving stoves. Energy-efficient stoves monitor electricity usage. Eco-friendly and luxurious, they are perfect for modern, conscious homeowners. 26. Glass and metal hybrid stoves. Combination of glass surfaces with brushed metal accents creates a high-end look. Sleek, easy to maintain, and luxurious. 27. Color pop stoves. Bold colored stoves inject personality into kitchens. Trendy and visually striking, they serve as statement pieces. 28. Wall-mounted stove panels. Integrated wall-mounted stoves save counter space and look futuristic. Ideal for modern open-plan kitchens. 29. Foldable or hidden cooktops. Retractable or stowaway cooktops maximize space. Functional and innovative, perfect for minimalistic kitchens. 30. Smart oven stove combos. Integrated smart ovens allow app or touch control. Adds convenience, functionality, and a sleek, modern vibe. 31. French-style range stoves. Large ovens with gas burners combine elegance and professional performance. Perfect for luxury, chef-inspired kitchens. 32. Ceramic glass gas stoves. Gas stoves with glass tops provide elegance and practicality. Easy to clean and modern in appearance. 33. Eco-friendly induction cooktops. Energy-efficient induction zones save electricity. Combines modern design with sustainability. 34. Multi-layer burner stoves. Different burner sizes provide versatility for various cooking needs. Functional, stylish, and space-efficient. 35. Designer statement stoves. Bold, artistic stoves act as the centerpiece of your kitchen. Perfect for those seeking luxury and high-end design. And there you have it, 35 modern kitchen stove designs for 2026 that are as stylish as they are functional. Which design would you choose for your dream kitchen? Comment below and let us know. If you love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more kitchen inspiration.